everybody, Crafting Journey with Rebecca. Hope you're having a great afternoon. This is Saturday. I'm not sure when you will be seeing this, but this is a follow-up to my Craft With Me Wednesday where I attempted a punch needle kit. It didn't go so well, but I kind of intended it that way. I didn't intend that it wouldn't go so well, but I intended to just get a kit and try it right out of the bag, right off the shelf with no instructions. Since then, I have gone on YouTube and done some research. Now, one of my subscribers recommended a lady. Her name is Vonna, Vonna Pfeiffer, Phieffer. She has a couple of instructional videos on how to punch needle. So I would recommend taking a look at that. So a lot of you expressed an interest in doing a punch needle kit with me. So I ordered a fresh punch needle kit that is not yarn, it is floss. Now I would like all of you to, we're not going to do the same kit. Feel free to get any kit that you want. And then what we will do is we will put updates under hashtag punch needle kit stitch along. That's a long one. But just the way it sounds, punch needle kit stitch along. And I will put that down in the description. But I anticipate starting July 29th. If we all have our kits, please let me know if you've ordered a kit and you don't have it yet. Mine may not be here by July 29th either. If that's the case, we can move it forward a few weeks. But I want to do this with everybody, so we all can enjoy this craft together. So that's really all I wanted to say. So go ahead, order your kits. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them on Etsy. Just go on the internet and put punch needle kit. They're all over the place. It seems like a lot of places have the same designs. So there's not a huge variety out there, but you might find something that you like. So let me know in the comments if you're interested. We will start this punch needle kit stitch along as soon as everybody gets their kit, and it will be in the Craft With Me Wednesdays. So that's all I really had to say. I wanted to update you guys. I hope you have a great evening, and I will hopefully see you in my live tomorrow on Sunday morning chit chat at 11 Central. So everybody take care.